All right, I've officially analyzed this video frame by frame, and I've come to the conclusion that it sucks. Deleting it. Or maybe I should just post it. Crazy thought, I know. If you've ever talked yourself out of posting because it's not good enough, stick around, because your videos are actually way better than you think. You just don't see it yet. Be honest, how many unfinished videos are sitting in your drafts right now? Drop a number in the comments. Let's talk about why your brain is lying to you about your content. You notice every flaw, your awkward pause, that one weird breath, the fact that your left eyebrow is slightly higher than your right. I promise you, no one is sitting there like, wow, love the content, but this guy's nostrils are gigantic. Jeez. Instant dislike. The only bad video is the one that never gets posted. You can't expect to grow a YouTube channel off of drafts. I really needed this video, thank you. This is a comment that I got on a video that I almost didn't post. Let that sink in. By the time you finish perfecting one video, someone else has posted 10 decent ones and improved. All right, so how do we stop this madness? Let's fix it. Give yourself 48 hours max to edit. Whatever you have, you post it. No excuses. Think of it like cooking. You can tweak a dish for hours, but at some point you've just got to eat. Otherwise, you're just standing there seasoning air. Viewers don't care about perfection, they care about the message. If it delivers value, it's good enough. I loved this video, but I wish you had color graded it differently. Every time you feel yourself spiraling into overthinking, film another video instead. Keep moving forward. Overthinkers be like, I'll start my YouTube channel when I finish this one last tweak. In 2047! What's the one thing that makes you overthink the most? Editing? Talking on camera? Let me know. Now let's talk about what's not mentioned enough, your mental health. Perfectionism isn't about high standards. It's about fear. Fear of judgment. Failure. Looking stupid. But you know what's worse? Never starting. It's time to break free from overthinking and just post. I bet you were thinking I was going to say something else there, right? Yeah? Let me know in the comments what you thought I was going to say. So here's the challenge. Post your next video, even if you think it's bad. And then come back here and say posted so that we can hype you up. Oh, and if you need help staying consistent, I've got another video right over here to keep you going. Watch that next. Oh, and if you need help staying consistent, I've got another video for you right over here for you to keep going. Oh, and if you need help staying consistent, I've got another video for you right over here. Check it out. Otherwise, you're just standing there seasoning air. I loved this video, but I wish you had color graded it differently. Overthinkers be like, I'll finish this video. Overthinkers be like, I'll finish this video. Overthinkers be like, I'll start my channel when I make that last final tweak. In 20s. Overthinkers be like, I'll start my channel when I finish this one last tweak. In 2047. That was actually good. That was a good delivery.